So welcome back to my video, that is SK exploring classes. Here we will discuss, in the last classes we have already discussed about the inverses. In 3 to 4 videos we have discussed about the what inverses. Here the inverses, the solution of the inverses. So what do you mean by the solution of the inverses? Solution means we have to find the value of unknown variable. Solution means we have to find the value of unknown variable. We are what using what x, y, z, etc. are the unknown variable. In trigonometry inverses also, if there are the x, y, z values and some other known values and unknown values, we have to find the what unknown variable. This is what the calculation of the unknown variable from the trigonometry inverses is said to be the solution of the inverses. So how to find? So here is the one of the what question or example. If sin inverse x plus cos inverse 1 by 2 equal to pi by 2, then we have to, here is the x is the what unknown variable. We have to find the value of x. So x value is the solution of what? Inverse. So there is the identity in the inverse. We have already discussed that one. Here the sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Here is the identity. This is the formula you know. Here given what sin inverse x plus cos inverse 1 by 2 equal to pi by 2. Comparing what equation 1 and 2, here this equal to this and pi by 2 and pi by 2 are equal. Therefore what cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to cos inverse x. So cos inverse and cos inverse both are equal. So x equal to 1 by 2. This is the solution of what x. Okay, this is the value. Okay, here another problem. Here is the problem given. Cos inverse 2 sin inverse x equal to 1 by 2. In this case also we have to find the value of x. The value of x may be unique or more values are there. Okay, here the unique value, that is the 1 by 2. Okay, x equal to 1 by 2. So but in some cases more than one value also will come. Here cos inverse 2 sin. Okay, cos inverse, it is not a cos inverse, something is written what wrong here. So cos, problem is what cos. Here cos, not a cos inverse. Okay. So now get the problem, little error is there. Cos 2 sin inverse x equal to 1 by 2. Here cos, if you take that side, it will be cos inverse 1 by 9. Okay. Cos, if you take that side, it is what cos inverse 1 by 9. So remain what 2 sin inverse x, you put here 2 sin inverse x. Here 2 sin inverse x, here is the formula for the 2 sin inverse x, a right angle formula. 2 sin inverse x is a direct formula. In the previous video I have said this one. 2 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square. This is the formula, note this. Okay. Here cos inverse 1 by 9, you convert this one into sin. This is the converting formula. Cos to sin converting formula. Cos inverse x equal to sin inverse root over 1 minus x square. Instead of x you put what 1 by 9, then we'll get what sin inverse 1 minus 1 by 9 square. Okay. Here sin inverse both sides sin inverse will cut, then we'll get what 2x root over 1 minus x square equal to root over, here it is what 81 minus 1, 80 by 81 root over, this is root over is there already. So both side root over is there. For cancelling root you take what squaring both side. Here it is written what squaring both side. So squaring both side, what will happen? 2 square is the 4, x is the x square equal to x square. Here the square and root will cancel 1 minus x square. Here the square of this one equal to only 80 by 81. Okay. Here 4 you cancel both sides, then you get what 24 and 4 1. So now multiply this one, 81 x square minus 81 x fourth, x square into square 81 x fourth. And here it is what 20 is there. Take all this side, then we get what 81 x fourth minus 81 x square plus 20 this one. So applying what Sridhar Acharya, there is the formula. Here x square equal to, you take that, because here x square and x fourth means you can't find the x fourth directly. If you consider this one what x and this is what x square. Okay, so here x square equal to what minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula you apply, and after simplification you will get what 5 by 9 and 4 by 9. Okay, So x equal to, here x square value equal to this one, x equal to pi by 9 means x square equal to pi by 9 means x equal to root over pi by 9 means plus or minus root pi by 3. Here also x square equal to 4 by 9 means x equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. Okay. In this way there are two problems. We have discussed more problem one by one we will discuss. So here is the problem, another problem. Question number 3 is there. So how to solve in this case? Here also both sine inverses are there. By keeping this sine inverse this side, then you take that side. Okay, then we'll get what? Here sine inverse 1 minus x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. Okay, sine inverse 1 minus x equal to, I have told this one sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 this one. Okay, so instead of pi by 2 minus sine inverse x means if you take sine inverse x this side, then pi by 2 minus sine inverse x equal to cos inverse x. So instead of this you put what? Cos inverse x. Here this is what? Sine inverse 1 minus x. Again you convert this one into sine inverse x because sine inverse x will cut. Then you convert this one into sine inverse, then you get what? Sine inverse root over 1 minus x square. Here already sine inverse 1 minus x is there. Both sides sine inverse will cut. Then the remains what? 1 minus x is equal to root over 1 minus x square. Again squaring both sides, then you get what? Because here is the root is there, so you have to squaring both sides. So what value you will get? Here it is the 1 minus x whole square is equal to, here it is only 1 minus x square. So here it is, open this value, 1 plus x square minus 2x is equal to 1 minus x square. X square you take this side, then you will get what? Here 1 cut. Here 2x square minus 2x is equal to 0. You make a common of 2x, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then either x equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. Then x equal to 1. The solutions are x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Here x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 are the two solutions. In this case, the first case. Okay. But in the second next problem, you will get question number 4. Then how to solve this problem? Here is the formula, direct formula you put. Students, you look at here, the sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square equal to what formula? This is what? Tan inverse 2x. Here cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, this is also tan inverse 2x. And tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, this is equal to also what? Tan inverse x. So, what value we will take what? Now listen this. Here instead of this you put what? Look at, directly, no substitution, directly you put, this is the formula 3 into 2 tan inverse x. Here is the formula, okay. Here also minus 4 into, instead of this value you put what? 2 tan inverse x. Here 2 tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 3 is there, okay. So here all are the tan inverse x. Finally, here is the problem to you. So now get, here are you look at, here something is given 6 minus 8. Here 6 tan inverse x minus 2 tan inverse x. Then you write what? Minus 2 tan inverse x. Minus 2 tan inverse x. Plus 2. Here tan inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So you write what? Tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 3 is there. Okay? Pi by 3. So instead of pi by 3, you write what? Tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3. pi by 3 equal to tan inverse root 3. And now you take this 2 tan inverse x this side, then what result you will get? You will get so now here is the problem. You will get something. Three formulas are there. Sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. Cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. Here also tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square also 2 tan inverse x. Here instead of this I put what 2 tan inverse x. Cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. Here I have not put, but the second in the next step I put. Here 3 into 2 6 tan inverse x minus 4 into 2 8 tan inverse x. 6 minus 8 equal minus 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse, this one equal to pi by 3 is given. Okay. So now again you will get tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. So instead of this value you put again 2 tan inverse x. Here 2 2s are 4 minus 2 equal to again 2 tan inverse x equal to pi by 3. Here tan inverse x equal to 2, you take this side, then it will be pi by 6. Then x equal to 10 inverse, when you take that side, then it will be what? 10. So x equal to 10 pi by 6, that equal to 1 by root 3. You know 10 pi by 6 means 30 degree. 10 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. So x equal to 1 by 3 root 3. This is the solution. Okay. So little we will discuss another problem. So here is the another problem important to you. Here actually conversation is there. Okay. Here cot inverse, cot inverse, cot inverse and cot inverse, all are the cot inverse given. So 1 by means fractional values are there. You convert all the cot inverse into tan inverse. Here cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 by x, means if you reciprocal them, then you get what? Tan inverse value. Here also 1 by x, x by 1. Here 1 by x plus 1, x plus 1. Here 1 by 3x, then 3x. Okay, 3x. All convert into 10. Now you get tan inverse x minus 1 and tan inverse x plus 1, keep it here, and tan inverse x you take that side. Here both tan inverse lies in the left hand side, another both what? Tan inverse lies in the what? Right hand side. Here is the formula. Here there are two formulas. You will get here, I just am remembering. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. By using this formula, here it is, this is x and this is y. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Similarly, here is the minus is there, you put it minus in between them, here it is the plus. So the same formula, here it is written, tan inverse 3x minus x by 1 plus 3x into x. Both sides what? Tan inverse will cot, then we get what? Here 1 cot, then x plus x equal to 2x. 1 minus a plus b into minus b formula apply, then you will get what? X square minus 1. Here 2x will cot. Okay, here also you will get 3x minus x equal to 2x. 1 plus 3x into x, 3x square. Now here it is the 1, here also 1. 1 by this one equal to 1 by this one. Now cross multiply, then we get 1 plus 3x square, here written, is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 minus x square. X square you take this side, here it is, it will be plus, then it is 4x square equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Then x square equal to 1 by 4, then x equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is the solution, few solutions of the problem. In this way you find the solution. Always you, for the solution, you know, always you try to cancel the inverses. Okay. Both side inverses you cancel, then we will get the x value or y value or something unknown value. These are the solution of the what? Trigonometry inverses. So for any difficulties, share my video, and if you like it, then subscribe it and like my video.